GBP dollar coming under pressure at the open today. And as I said to you guys before, all of this, the movement that we're seeing in GBP dollar GU is very much driven by dollar sentiment. And dollar sentiment, there's flows happening into the dollar, as we know, because obviously the inflation trade and the geopolitical tensions, which is forcing the inflation trade. US and Iran are trading a lot of fire between the two, a number of attacks on both sides, and it's intensifying. It's 100% intensifying, and we're seeing that being reflected. Okay, that's reflecting oil prices jumping up over 4% today when you look at WTI. And as I said last week, watch this big breakout retest and this potential further push to the upside for oil, because that will really reignite the inflation fears. And if we've got inflation fears, the market's going to be ramping up their rate hike bets. We've got rate hike bets, support with dollar, and obviously downside for GBP dollar. So if we look at GBP dollar at the moment, you know, as I said before, keep an eye on the price coming up to this area of liquidity here, which we did. We've caught rejections, bit of reversal candlestick. We have a gap to the downside. We haven't had a convincing follow through of momentum yet. And arguably, you still have sort of structure being held here, right? We've got high lows, so on and so forth. And this high low area is still holding. We'd need to see that being broken, and we'd need to see this key area of liquidity being broken around the psychological 33, sort of 50 towards 40 region, that area being broken down, and obviously just playing the cards and the pathway down to the next area of liquidity, which is being drawn in towards 132, 130, 150. Okay. But obviously keep an eye on US CPI. We've done a playbook. We did a free sort of light playbook for everybody that can check that out there'll be a link below for that. Guys, I've opened up a waiting list for my next intake of mentorship. If you are interested in taking that, I'm going to help you be able to powerfully combine macroeconomics with technicals, however you trade, or I will show you a number of strategies that work very well in understanding how to incorporate those macroeconomics with the technicals, having me in your corner, allowing me to hold you accountable and drive you to where you need to be driven to, multiple funded accounts, building out your personal history, your personal track record, your personal methodology, so that you get to a place where this could actually be your income. This could actually be your career, more specifically. And a number of fund managers, literally every fund manager that I know knows macroeconomics, the back of their hand. So it's very, very important. It's a non-negotiable if that's the way you want to go. Other than that, catch you in the next update.